Audi has released the full model year changes for the 2023 model year, so let's go ahead and take a look at what changed as far as the features and pricing for the 2023 Audi Q3. The Audi Q3 is still in its second generation for the 2023 model year, and Audi says this is one of the brand's best-selling models, so they've updated it with newly standard features and available technologies. So first up, Audi has made full LED headlights with DRL signatures as standard equipment across all Audi Q3s. Next up, they have added a wireless phone charging pad to replace the previous model's phone box with signal booster, and I've never had hands-on with this, but I believe it's literally a box that you could put your cell phone in, and it improves the signal in terms of, wireless data and stuff like that. So it looks like they have replaced the signal booster box with a wireless charging pad, which I'm sure a lot of people will find very useful. Next up, the Audi Q3 40 gets new standard 18-inch 5-spoke design wheels with 19 and 20-inch V-spoke design wheels available as part of the new black optic package on the premium trim level. And lastly, the Audi Q3 45 adds a new 20-inch 5 double-spoke rotor design wheel with summer tires as an option in addition to the black optic sport package. So that's pretty much going to wrap up the feature and option changes for the 23 model year. Now let's get into the pricing. Now, if you're a little unfamiliar with the Audi brand like I am, the Q3 40 is the base trim level and the Q3 45 is the upgraded, slightly larger or more powerful engine rather. They're both 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinders, but the Q3 40 has 184 horsepower and the Q3 45 has 228 horsepower, again both using the 2-liter turbocharged engine. So as far as pricing goes for the Q3 40, the base premium package is now $37,595, including the $1195 destination, and the premium plus trim level is $40,895, again including destination. And this represents a $1,500 increase over the last 2022 model year in both those trim levels. Now moving on to the Q3 45, the base premium trim level for 23 is $39,895, and the Premium Plus is $43,195. Again, this represents a $1,500 price increase over the last model year. So Audi has made it pretty simple here and has increased the price $1,500 across the lineup for the Q3 model. And again, this does not include any of the option packages or anything like that. So it's just a base price increase for each trim level of $1,500, which in today's world of, supply chain issues and stuff like that, that's pretty modest overall, and it doesn't surprise me given that it's a volume seller that they probably want to keep the price increases on the lower side, given this is the entry level or one of the entry level models to the brand. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this video for the Audi Q3 changes. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It greatly helps out these videos and the channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe and check out some of the other content that is currently available. I have other 2023 model year change videos, automotive related how-to content, and side-by-side comparison videos, so make sure to check those out if you guys are interested in those. Now let me know down in the comment section below if you guys are in the market for a Q3 or currently own a Q3 and are looking to upgrade to a newer model or anything like that. I'd love to hear your experience with it, and overall, like I said, I'm pretty unfamiliar with the Audi brand, at least the recent products, so I'd love to hear your experience, so make sure to leave a comment down below. So once again, I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video.